In this video guide, we will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called Asistchinadecryption. We have analyzed this particular ransomware and it was discovered by our malware researchers while examining samples submitted to the VirusTotal database. We have discovered that this ransomware encrypts files and appends the special extension to them, and the extension is called Asistchinadecryption. Before the ransomware attack, people are able to open their files without any problems. They can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office files, and other information easily. However, the ransomware typically injects the systems because of certain vulnerabilities. The fact that the ransomware has attacked your files could mean that your current security software simply failed to protect your system from being infected by this ransomware. You may trace the ransomware by the special suspicious process or service that could be running in the background in Task Manager. After the ransomware file is launched, it starts immediately encrypting the data, and as you can clearly see, the ransomware indeed adds this special extension called Asistchinadecryption and some other unique identifier to the attacked computer. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file recovery and to contact the developers of this ransomware using this email address. But paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files would be restored. We strongly urge you not to pay that ransom. Now, what we recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner using this green download button, install the program, and begin researching this system with its help. Initially, the software is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. By the way, this particular ransomware called Asistchinadecryption is the part of the Zeppelin ransomware family. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect this ransomware very well, to remove it effectively with the premium license of the program. Initially, the trial version only offers this quick scan option. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper malware detection and elimination. Combo Cleaner will help you to essentially speed up the performance of your entire computer. By the way, when you go to the site combocleaner.com, you will be able to download the version either for Mac or for Windows computers. But the ransomware, like Asistchinadecryption, attacks Windows computers only. So you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner. For instance, it has got the anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders that will be protected against ransomware attacks in the future. But again, this feature is only the part of the premium license. However, you may click on Upgrade to Premium button and request trial to fully evaluate Combo Cleaner functionality against ransomware attacks. So depending on the speed of your internet connection, the updating of the antivirus database might take several minutes, probably less than that. So, after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin scanning your computer. It will then give you the summary of threats found during the scan, and you'll be able to know the exact location of each specific threat on your computer. Surely, you may remove each threat manually based on this location information, but we do recommend you to upgrade to premium license to delete all these threats automatically.